Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your DOOGEE S80, open Settings, scroll to Sound, and as you can see in this place we can control media, alarm and ringtone volume by moving sliders on the right or left. We can activate vibration for calls. We are able to set up and enable Do Not Disturb mode. Below we can change ringtone. In the advanced settings we can change notification sound, alarm sound, and here we can find other sounds and vibration options. We can activate them or deactivate by tapping on the switchers. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.